Hey Mr. Wellman, this is Jonas, and I'm making a video for the take-home quiz 5 extra credit portion. I'm just going to give a quick explanation of what I did and digitizing my movie. So let me just put this full screen first. So here is my movie right here, in the corner right here, which I will make bigger. And the first thing I did was enter the video into Logger Pro using the insert option here. After I did insert, I went to movie, and then I entered it from my download section. Once I did that, I digitized the movie using the space button right here. I was able to track the ball at every point as it left my hand. I did it all the way to the top and all the way back to my hand. The top as in the apex. So for my tables, for my graphs, I have position versus time graph, which will tell me where exactly the object, which is an apple in this case, would be at any given time. And then to find the acceleration, what I did was I made a y velocity versus time graph, and I shaded in a region from here to here. And then I did a line of best fit, which would give me the slope, and that slope can then be used as the acceleration